Everyone, welcome back in the another video. So today in this video we are learning about the advanced APIs, how we can handle APIs in TypeScript. There are various ways for handling advanced APIs in TypeScript. So first is a pick method. So I will explain briefly one by one. Pick, partial, read only, record or map, and exclude. So basically, what is peak in TypeScript? So peak, before we proceed in the video, firstly your prerequisite is you can understand what is interface in TypeScript. So I take one example. Uh, you do that example yourself. So taking user, that user had its two property. Take one user, and user had two property. First one is username, and last is age of the user. And your task is to take function. That function stores your result. uh, that functions take two parameter, user1, user2, and you return the sum of their age of user1 and user2. So this is very easy and simple task. I hope you do that yourself, otherwise I will do. So I'm taking user1, and user1 has same property as interface, and another I will create user2. It contain another property from user, and it returns result of user1 dot age plus user2 dot age. Okay, it's fine. So right now I'm creating one constant for store result. It contain result function I'm passing, and it has two parameter. I will assigning name Soham, and another age is 21. Okay, and creating same object second type. This is for user 1 and another is for user 2, and here passing name as a Harsha, and age nothing but 29 something. So, and I will log this function call, and right now I need to console this result. So console dot log for printing this result on the screen, and for that I need to go back where which directly I am. Okay, I am right now in practice of API. In that I will run one npx tsc dash builder. This command is used for building txt file into JavaScript. So this file is used for creating or building JavaScript file from this TypeScript. And after that, using Node, I am running my code, and you can see the output is 50 on the screen. So age from user 1 and user 2, age 21 plus 29 is returns 50 on the screen. So output get successfully. And right now in ts.config, one thing I am forgotten to say yesterday. So here something dist what exactly out. Hmm, let me check what exactly that in config file. Not leaves. No leave. No, I don't want it that. Yeah, root their root directory or out directory something allows multiple folders. Yeah. So root dir. So in root dir, I uncomment and I pass as a source, and then out there it is used for assigning for the creating our file. So I will use dist here. Okay, so why I am creating that I will show right now. Okay, I am creating one ESRC folder and one dist folder for output, where I am getting the error message. Why error message? Which type of mistakes I will do? Okay, node index dot just it give me output. Okay, as expected. Let me check after some time. Firstly, I am creating pic dot ts file used to error in TypeScript. Let me forget it. So pic is nothing but so we are starting the more briefly right now. Firstly, we discussing what exactly peak is. Peak means consider I am creating this user interface and ID, name, email, and credit card with date is there. So for I am creating one type user profile and use peak. So for this user profile, only you can see the name and email from the this user are present, name and email. This two is not picked up in this user profile. So why this is happen? Because I pick means I wanted to choose something from this user interface, and what I wanted to pick name and email. For that I will display profile, user profile, and user is there, then I will pass this parameter user profile, and then I will console doc name and email, so you can see the output. So for that I need to pass. Okay, I am creating a user, and then that user contain id 12, the id will be number, yes it's fine. Then name, it contain name and also age, and then uh, this date I don't want that to the present, so it's fine. Okay, yeah, it's fine. And I need to call this function here. Call. and need to pass two parameter. So you can understand just picking from this user interface. It's not too much rocket science behind that. Just picking value from here to just transferring the value. Only picking from the main interface. That's it. Not any difficult here. I hope you can understand whatever I am trying to say right now. And the next concept is nothing but uh, partial. So, what partial exactly means? So, partial nothing but one type in TypeScript. So, for that, I am okay. So, I take this interface and I will perform rather than pick. I perform here partial method. So, what partial method says? Partial method requires one argument type. Hmm, so partial method is taking all optional properties. He can say, okay, these properties are optional. You, if you wanted to write, then write. Otherwise, not. It's fine. So you can see user interface updated props. This is in the picked. This is pick and use update uh, props optional is a partial and I will pass this means this belongs to the name age email is mandatory but here optional it is all values are optional. If you pass it's fine. If you don't pass is never give me an error message. You can see I am passing uh, my name here. uh, it's fine. Age, it's fine. It's all optional. But age is present and the age in the form of string. Okay. It's optional. I am not passing ID, age. I am only passing name and age. Email and password I am not passing, so it is type of optional. When I will remove all, I don't want it to write anything, so it's run the TypeScript compiler never show an error message. It's say okay if you wanted to pass then you can pass, otherwise all fields are not mandatory, it's optional. Then after that read only method is there. So read only, why we use that read only? So if you can configuration of an one object that should not alter means consider okay rather than reading that you can focus here. So what exactly the random read only is I'm creating one interface. Read only is used for endpoint I am writing. So sometimes the endpoint of API key, so endpoints are API key as very important, and you don't want it to, if I am working in a company and the API key is important and I know it's crucial and another developer is not able to change that API key. For that time, I just pass the read only method for this. तू झोप ती तिथं झोपायला लागले हो. Okay, okay. The read only for property. तुला रग आहे ना पांघरायला ती हिरवी ही देऊ का मग? For the read only property I pass that time when I will try to update the API key, then it give me an error message. why this give me an error message, because he says this API key is only read only method. Read only means you can only read this value, you can't change or update this value. You can see cannot find name API key. So API key is here. So he said, okay, this API key I am not able to finding. Rather than doing, I will do just and initialize some here. Okay, and config dot I am forwarded config dot API key I need to write. That time he show me and error the cannot declare workload value config. Okay. Something I so it's strict. We only read this value, we are not able to change this config API key. So this error cannot assign to API key because it is read only property. You can understand, this is only read only property, we are not assigning this uh, value API for API key. So this is a very important and crucial concept, and I hope you can understand something. And this video uh, adding some value. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you tomorrow. Bye.